Ka social service center mentagasi kalayo bagansam ya kisimbai millet ya kabla tipru hagakin kasi kumukrai. Ya kane ka program la pelong hapo Moriu Institute of Integral Training kabadon hadhan kiti tengkar ka jingadon lang I Dr. M. Pynlong do Menteri badi kmi ya katnan agriculture Watch Bishop Victor Lingdo ubade president ka SSC Father Richard Majau u Prabhu Data Sayu ubade general manager ka Nabat uba Pius Morwen ubade director ka Nesfas ikong Mandari bla ibade iway na inohikai rengkat ke jengadon lang jong Nongrep Krai ke belawan na kisnong ki beper. Nagalang ki nong ajing kran na kasi kelapan pawi ke jengdon kam jong ukrai ubade iway na ki jengtung ubaki pait ba jong jalagi jos ngautanat baru ayo jeng patai kum no bantung ya ukrai pat ke jeng mentoy bayo na uni ujan jengtung.
Therefore, the NAVA, under the leadership of Dr. Prabhu Datta Sahu, the General Manager took cognizance of us and sponsored to organize this awareness program on promotion of millets to commemorate the International Year of Millet. Our intervention with our millets farmer started with the implementation of our program called Facilitations Agricultural Regenerating Measures Farm Phase 2, which is sponsored by Caritas India and Messier, Germany in the year 2016. In the course of our intervention to improve the livelihood of a marginal farmer, we come across that there are people of millet farmers here and there with no one is helping them to grow in large quantity and no demand for their product. Thus SSC mobilized their farmers on March 2018 and arranged a seed sharing among farmers. We attempted and convinced at least 22 households from Mao Prashang and Jongsha B village to grow millets. At least 5 of the 12 farmers found cultivation difficult because of grazing issues. We encourage our farmers to cultivate millets without applying any chemical, but only the natural compost to be used. Our efforts bore fruit with an increase in the number of households cultivating millets. So we have 256 families who growing millets in the program villages.
While we are wondering why this program is getting conducted, with the expectation and hope that there will be more awareness creation, particularly in the state of Meghalaya, and in the days to come, there will be both the supply side requirements as well as some kind of a consumption based, awareness based, demand side pool also is created. That is the whole intention of this program. Friends, we all know the very unintended consequence of our focused efforts towards increasing the production of rice and wheat, including what all we did under our Green Revolution efforts. That time it was very much required and it was very apt also. But with more focus on rice and wheat production, the focus towards this traditional things, traditional cereals or hardy crops got reduced. In fact, if we look at our consumption basket, there are very good evidence that our communities were consuming nutrition-rich millets that dates back to 3000 BC. But with the reversal of this trend, this production and consumption part, particularly post-Green Revolution, there has been a need that we need to create more awareness and shift our entire behavior and pattern towards millets. In fact, to tell you, to share a little bit of statistics from a period between 1961 to 2021, the yield of millets have tripled actually from 414 kg per hectare to around more than 1300 kg per hectare. But the area has reduced from 30 million hectare during the same period to around 16 million hectare, almost half. And it is not only in India, elsewhere across the country, around the world, the similar trend has been observed. The yield has increased from 592 kg per hectare to 972 kg, but the area has declined from 43.3 million hectare to 30.9, around 31 million hectare between the period of 61 and 21.
New Krai uba nadu hakapor hendai mo ki pa ki juni ki bam don ya ukhau ne ki bam yo e ki ka ki mar bam ki ba phiu I ha ka ne ka chu uta ki chu rat yo New Krai ba yo Krai ko mga tipanga uday u green uba ikenja sambai ki ba ki chu shed jutiu hang tu singi ngayo di sha Krai ngayo bam nadu wasna du Krai ngayo bam jakande bashet da Krai ngayo bam ikenja putharo badan lambat Krai ti aga jing shisha Krai uday sambai jing bam ubam dabang kasentur ban bam tangba udon kita ki jing bentoy ki bopon bah haba pidon bat pi thong yu Krai uyarap ya pi ha ki bopon ki liang te ha ka to sngi ha ko wai ka program ko mga len na mga ngamde ka Nongrep na itang menteri jung ki Nongrep te nga ha pan hikay ya la de kumno man sung tho ya pi ki Nongrep te ha ka to sngi nga layo ka Jinghikai ka bopon bat ngayo iba to Krai uday shisha uta ubami ha kamariang kajungi ubam dadon kamthan ban penkre ha kapor bopi thong yo bat ubami jing shisha wai ki oma ubami bet ha ki ju ki fair ki jungi tambala da pinang ba pin penulhyang yo New Krai udon uta kita ki bor dawai ki bopun ki bayarap kamtam lele ya ka blood pressure ya ka sugar ka perthai menta ki dongpang menta jong ka chuk menta mangi bampi than ni kieu ka blood pressure ni kieu ka sini te bonsen ki owad ya kita ki kenja kenban ki ba ka meiram o daladi ka ice bun bensem yani bonsen gin ju itho yu to Krai naman Krai hadin balas dang banyo yu version mdon shu bakken mau ban penne pensa ban penim ya ka jingthong jong Krai ha ka ni ka juk pa snem ka ba arpo wai ni wi bu to Krai plan udon la ka jong ka jing don kam bat udon la ka jong ka jing ya yo tinggal kerpat ya pi ki ki rangwa, ki khon samla, ki basim benta, hakaret keryang, papidon kam bantip yela ki jong, ki jingdon haka kfer ba jong kabane setting ken film yu I kata. Te ngakum kata ka menteri jong kani ka sarkar, nga smog sanat shibon ba laf ito ya ka ni sa snem kung ka snem bangin penim ya ka jingthong ya Krai. Natry ka rin United Nations, right? Nakagpat yo puli baha namar pa ng sudap election but siya tayo tulahap ng lot. Si kasu tagmauluklat natry ka rin United Nations. Tinga nga wanhang ni bangan ay mansim ya ka social service jong father nga chupen ya don ka Jinghikai ka bacan bat ka social service hamni bonsin piyawan lam ya ki mar bam mardi papiya di haki fes hangte hapo sabyo hall mo manswa ka ka sabyo school hall nga chu participate aki tu ki programs ru bat ni day ban ay ka Jinghiram ya kum kini ki NGOs ki bayaram ya ka sorkar bagan kmi lem ya ka jing dom kam jong ki Nongrep but father nga IFP ya ka assurance mana kaliang ka jonga hakum kani ka snem ka bangi rakhe ya ka jing thong bat ka jing pendon kam ya umelet bangan ailem ya pi ka ti ka diang ka ti ka mon ya ka kam ka ba pro kile na ka ni ka social service center jong pi ban nga IFP ka we ka sila father ba ni ham banyak betin ti lekat patung ki NGOs jong pi nama ka sorkar na ladihi kam na asyo wantalan but habang yun na asyo wantalan but yun na asyo bang yun manage ya kita ki produce but ki producers of farming goods and services you don't come bang yun trade and pi ha kani ka snem ni kum ka sorkar nginwan ra shibun kita ki jingyarap na kabenta ki Nongrep ki jongi ni kwa kamtam relay man popularize ya kata ka organic farming nomor kombatik mga ukray undang kam ban ay dawai spo umi hi ha ka lengka ka jongi ti umak day uway na kita ki produce na ki jingbi na kameram o kiba kaperthay saklak pa kuway kaladab itu lupa kung organic produce bat ladang ngila job hakata ka jingla jungi bangin penmi bat de ya chairman ya ing ya ki sembai kau ki bopon ki ba mi hakilika ka jungi ngin pai kmat yang sya ukrai pat nyerap ya ki Nongrep ki boper man penim biang ya ungi uway ujingmi na kamerang o ubala man ay jingirap ini haki bopon kiliang mapi ki Nongrep pin kamay kaji mangi ki nong bam yu krai ginyo ya ka jingim ka bakot ka bakya tang kini ki kentin si hajar mo ya pi paro.
This is along with Memento for being a relentless supporter for the welfare of our farmers. On the state level awareness program on millets on the 23rd March 2023 in participation and commemoration of International Year of Millets 2023. Sponsored by NABARD Regional Office Shillong Meghalaya, organized by Social Service Center Shillong Meghalaya, signed by Dr. Bynta Sahu, General Manager NABARD Regional Office Meghalaya, and Director of SSC for the Bynta. So, thank you, Your Grace, for your presence. Their ability to come here is because of your initiative. That you give a phone call and then we could have this program. So, kali ini kita ini ay Tuhan antara saat tahu hatian barang ini. With our greatest appreciation, we hereby present Dr. Bynta Sahu, General Manager NABARD Regional Office Shillong Meghalaya, with a memento for being frontliner in supporting our farmers on the state level awareness program on millets 23rd March 2023 in participation and commemoration of the International Year of Millets 2023. Sponsored by his office, NABARD Regional Office Shillong Meghalaya, organized by Social Service Center Shillong Meghalaya, signed by Director of Social Service Center. Thank you so much, sir. With our greatest appreciation for we hereby present Mr. Payus Rani, Director of NESPAS, with a memento for being a resource person on a topic millet and its relation to ecological and cultural system. Okay, here Haneru I asubhanan sa ikom iba lalek ay tingkran keleng hawadega sepang ka koi ketia, iba tip pas kulir ni asipam kecimbang ke bagi bang di don hantar ka cimbang bagi bang na bantai ke metri dan apa jepi dan jepi la sap ha kata tu ai tingkran hantar cuma koi ha
Ermina nongskop
dengan kulir ni kacing thok ni dengan kulir tak hisin ba ya barakat ba de kolong champion of millet International Year of Millet 2023. Ani ketentuan bahwa amne lesim nak tingkran cukup pagdi agumne. To forget how to dig the earth and then the soil is to forget ourselves. Ban kelek ban pu ban thung dei tingklet ilade au man pakanti dei kumta player ya pi kong lian sida songkhiang ka pi sem naklet ban pu ban thung Krai. You are our champion Pynlong ka pakta sign da I because lahu regional office Nongrep but Bynta University Director Social Service Center. Then I think player yang ini Nongrep ini dan main aktif.
La Mensok,
Bawan
Kong Yura Longspo, Kong Lari Shalingdo, Lari Shalingdo.
Ikong Spill Laris El Lengkoi. Bynta Ikong Lari Shalenggo. Ta kedua DI Kong
Representative ki representative Jong Seng Ramba Shillong RJC Shillong.
Cik nama pun tak orang, rajin kerana hanya kesini. Ada si pun nyawa banyak cingkran sepang ukuran. Mahni ngakan sengaja ini, kemudian ia dah ukuran kuasa macam ni. Kalau kamu ukuran kuasa macam ni, kemudian alhamdulillah. Dan ibadah kekolum, dan ibadah kekawar. Hanun kita kilum kitang yang pelan, ini yang kita bagi saat hambun, nangkap kisah tumpat yang pan, soalnya yang berserius soalan. Dalam ini berai basal kisah tumpat sayuran. Yang tu ukuran ini pencam yang hendak. Pada ada pencam yang hendak, acara kita kalur, nisa biar ukuran nisa terhendak dulu mana nambahan lagi ya, nang lebar musim yang ukuran. Pada pada apa syawal, yang syawal berserti ni pom fai kide ada kerja kide bisa thang pada bisa pencam di hendak bisa biar tadi sembai jauh ukuran. Ini ukuran ulang ubah kongsan tam ini kete dan bagi lesion jawab ni kita support center apa bagi lesion apa barmet yang ba lala pada nasional kita kini apa barmet pam ukuran ulang ubah kongsan tam bar akaba ban kante yang kisnam tong tak kesibun